The 2011 Mazda 6 alarm system frequently malfunctions due to issues with door, hood switches, key fob, or siren battery. Start by inspecting the door and hood switches for corrosion or misalignment. These magnetic proximity sensors can send false signals if faulty. Use an OBD2 scanner to check for BCM error codes like C043 for door switch malfunction or U2108 for key fob communication failure. Test the key fob battery. A weak battery is a common culprit for alarm malfunctions. Finally, check the siren battery voltage. It should be above 11 volts for proper function. Addressing these components individually is the first step in resolving the persistent alarm issue. Regular maintenance, such as lubricating switches, can extend system life.